How to use AI Treatment Note, your best assistant for treatment documentation. First, during a consultation, go to the appointment and select Add Treatment Notes. Choose the treatment note template you need and ensure the appointment details are correct. You'll see the Treatment Note AI plugin with a record button below. Simply click the record button to start. Conversation between doctor and patient begins.
Lately, I've been experiencing soreness at the lower back, particularly lower back over here, whenever I bend and lift something.
I see. How long has this been bothering you? And on a scale of 1 to 10, how severe is the pain?
Okay, roughly about 2 weeks, about 2 weeks only, and the painness I would actually rate it around 5.
Around 5, you
Correct.
say? All right. Have you had any back pain issue like this before, or was there any specific incident that you think might have triggered it?
I have never had lower back pain before.
As the conversation flows, the AI listens in real time, analyzing and summarizing key points based on your selected template. For example, you'll see sections like symptoms, past history, causes, and even a treatment plan drafted automatically by the AI. Once the consultation is complete, review the AI-generated summary, make any necessary edits, and last, save it seamlessly. Save time, focus on your patient. Start using the AI treatment note now.